Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on title bar window shake in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first in your desktop, you can open your settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box settings and then you can open it. And then in the setting page, you can go to your system in the left side menu here. And then you can scroll down until you find multitasking, click on it. And then as you can see, there is option to title bar window shake. So when I grab a Windows title bar and shake it, minimize all other windows. So if you turn it on, they will be like this, when you grab and shake it, other windows will be minimized. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to join our membership. Thank you.